go any further, I think it might be a good idea to save your progress.
Oh, yeah, there's no auto-saving here.
Oh, okay.
Pause menu.
This is a downfall, just let you know, because if your game fucking crashes, for any reason,
For the record, he's raising his voice because Elliot's had how many soft locks?
one.
One.
It was one.
I thought it was two.
No, it was one. I'm
But
still
the game-
It was one too many.
The game did soft lock on you at one point when
I'm
you were
still salty
when
about
you were
it.
streaming this game.
Yeah.